All right, here's the next try. First, let's turn on the... All right, now as you can see here, I took out the dimmer. What I did was I completely took off the dimmer, so I went straight from the extension cord to the relay. What I had tried doing was, because when I still had the relay and Arduino plugged in, I was getting a light because it was getting full power. So I thought, well, okay, maybe the bulb should go to normally closed instead of normally open. So I tried that. I pulled this out of here, put it in here, but it was still getting power. So I thought, okay, then then I should leave it as normally open as it was, and just unplug them both. And plug them back in when I'm ready. And as you can see, they're both unplugged. And when I'm ready, I will, or when which is now, I will plug the extension cord in and the Arduino in. So first, I will just put that down. Plug in there, okay. Hold on a minute, why isn't this getting power and coming on? Okay, there it goes. Let me check the can't pull it out, so it's in there good. Alright. And the relay light and the Arduino light are on, so they're both good. Alright, the bulb went off, and that was how it was supposed to be. So let's see if it comes back on. As you can see, I'm pulling a very good vacuum, but we'll see if the bulb comes back on, which it should. This seal is empty. This socket's empty, but it's still plugged in because I just didn't see any reason to not unplug it, and I didn't want to mess with that. I might unplug the power to the extension cord and Arduino, and then recheck my wiring here, make sure they're in good and hard, even though I can't pull them out, and I tried. They're not overlapping. If I do unplug it and check my wiring, I'm still going to leave the vacuum pump on, so I'm still blowing a good vacuum. But this should be right. I should be going from should be going straight from the power to straight to common, and leave this on normally open. It doesn't matter that there's an empty socket in here, because the power is just going through the socket, just bypassing this because there's nothing there, and continuing in the circuit to go straight to the next bulb, which is here, and pulling power, and then going back to the power extension cable. Alright, just to be sure, I'm trying to remember if my tutor had said if I didn't have the dimmer, I would put it on normally closed. Alright, I'm going to pull out, I'm going to unplug the power, leave my vacuum pump on, check my wiring, and we'll see after that. Alright, I checked it, and it's still, the wiring is still right, it's still lining up, but just in case, I made it, I put straight from the, or I put the furnace to the normally open, or normally closed instead of normally open, and power is still going to common. So I'm going to plug it back in, and we'll see from there. See what you can see what happens. Okay, it's on, and if I don't plug in the Arduino, it just goes straight on. So let's see. Crap. All right. All right. Okay, now my Arduino is plugged in, the relay, well, yeah, now my Arduino is plugged in, and it's controlling it. So we will see, we'll see how it goes on normally closed, which it might work. Let's hope it works. Well, there it's back on, so it might have needed to be normally closed, but okay, come back in 4 days on Sunday and see the results.